Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. And in this video, I will show you how to delete Chrome extension or how you can simply remove any extension from Chrome browser. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on these three dots, and then go ahead and make sure you navigate to extensions. Under the extension, go ahead and click on manage extensions right here, and it's going to open up right. So then all extension you have is going to be shown right here. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and locate the particular extension you want. Like for instance, I want to remove this Adobe Acrobat. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on remove right here. Then go ahead and click on remove. Successfully uninstall Adobe Acrobat extension. And then next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and choose the reason, and then go ahead click on not interested. Thank you for your time. It's that simple. You can use this method to remove as many as possible extensions from your Google Chrome browser. So I come back to my Chrome browser extension catalog. I come to the top right here and try to refresh. You find out that the Adobe Acrobat is no longer found right here. It's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to use your Chrome browser, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.